Well, hello, my friend. Brad Caston here, and I've got a quick question for you. Would you like to learn or get better at the Dutch pour technique? Well, if the answer is yes, then I've got really good news for you because November is Dutch pour month in the Pouring Studio membership. And for a very brief time, I'm going to be opening up the membership for new members. I've gotten a lot of inquiries lately about when I'm going to reopen the membership again, and I thought November would be a great time because the Dutch pour is such a popular technique, and I know a lot of people really want to learn it or get much better at it. So this is a great opportunity if you are thinking about joining my paint pouring membership, or if you're brand new just learning about it. This is a great month to join. So you could click the link below to learn a little bit more about the Pouring Studio membership. We're going to be opening up the doors for new members this Friday, October 29th, and the doors will be closing on Tuesday, November 2nd at midnight Eastern Time. And then Wednesday, we're going to get busy and start learning and creating some amazing Dutch pour paintings. So I would love to see you inside our membership. If you would choose to join us, it would be fantastic. I haven't opened up the membership since the founding member launch, and things are going really well. Everyone is creating some amazing paintings, making a lot of progress with their paint pouring, and I would love to see you make some amazing progress with your Dutch pours. So now is the perfect time to join. Click the link below. You can learn some more about what we do inside the Pouring Studio membership. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at brad@acrylicpouringacademy.com, and I'll get back to you right away. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you inside the Pouring Studio. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.